Is that funny? Is that a car? It's okay. Get your water. Where's your water? Get the water. Can you get the water? Look, it's over here. What you gonna do? Oh! Put it in the grass. Put it in the grass. No. Go put it in the grass. There we go. Can you get it? Is that funny? Here, you want me to hold it for you? I'll hold it. There you go. Can you put your mouth on it? On the water? Is that funny?
No.
Where are you going to take it? I'll get it. There you go. No, no, no. Luke. Come back over here. Thank you. Spray it in the grass. You sprayed on your toy? Put it in the pool. That's not the pool.